Which personality designed the national flag of Pakistan? Amiruddin Qadwai. How many times has the word Pakistan appeared in the national anthem of Pakistan? Only once. What is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu. But the official language is English. When was the first ceremony of hoisting its national flag held in Iran? 14 August 1905. What is the national dress of Burma? Tahmid. What is the national symbol of Egypt? Rose. The national anthem community was established in 1949 under whose leadership? Sardar Abdul Nishtar. A committee was formed to write the national anthem of Pakistan. February 1949. Pakistan national anthem is creation of a poet, late Mr. Abdul Hafiz Jalandhari. National anthem of Pakistan was composed by musician Abdul Karim Chagola. When did Abdul Karim Chagola, the composer of the national anthem, die? 5th February 1953. Hafiz Jalandhari was wrote a national anthem first or composed the music. First, the music was composed by Hafiz Jalandhari, was approved for this tune and was liked. When was the Pakistani national anthem first published in local newspaper? August 1954. When was the national anthem first broadcast on Radio Pakistan? 13 August 1954. Name the only country whose flag is not quadrilateral. Nepal. What is the national flower of Japan? Chrysanthemum. Butter is the national symbol of which country? Germany. Which fruit has the state of national emblem of Spain? Pomegranate. Which animal has the status of national emblem of Uganda? Peacock. Hemigolo is the name of national anthem of which country? Japan. Who is the creator of the Turkish national anthem? Muhammad Akif. What is the national symbol of Turkey? The wolf. What is the national flag of United Nations called? For freedom flag. Which country has four official languages? Switzerland. What is the national flower of Bangladesh? Nargis flower. Which country is the oldest national anthem in the world? Japanese. His word is date back to ninth century AD. Which country national anthem has French music instead of words have been used? Islamic State of Guinea. Which poet poems have been adopted by India and Bangladesh and their national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. In which year was the British flag defeated for first time? 1707. Which bird has the honor of being the national bird of Pakistan? Eagle. When was the national flag of Pakistan waved in the K2 peak? 1977. Jordan's national anthem is very short. How many lines are there? Only four. Which trees leaf prominent on the Canadian flag? Purple leaf. What is the name of the British flag? The Union Jack. Name the only country in the world whose flags never has tunnels. Saudi Arabia. The entries Kalma Tayyiba is written on it. What is the national symbol of Australia? Kangaroo. What is the national emblem of Denmark? Coast. What is the national emblem of Saudi Arabia? Two swords and the palm tree. The national emblem of Spain is the female bird eagle. What is the national anthem of Indonesia called? King of Indonesia. Which country is the oldest plague in the world? Plague of Denmark. Since what year has the plague of the Denmark been in continuous use? 1219. On which date does France celebrate its National Day? 14 July. On which date is the National Day of Egypt? 23rd July. On which date is Morocco's National Day? 3rd March. Iraq's people celebrate their National Day on which date? 14th July. How many stars are in the middle of the Iraq's flag? 3 stars. What colors of 3 stars in the flag of Iraq? Green color. Which country have national anthem consistency of 4 lines other than Jordan, Japan and San Marino? Which country has a map of the country on its flag? Cyprus. What animal are depicted on the Mexican flag? The eagle and the snake. There are horizontal stripes on the flag of Argentina. Tell me the color of third strip. White.